Hi everyone, so today we have Pioneer P14. It's from 1990s, and we did manage to install the Bluetooth in this one too. So at first I'm gonna test the radio, the cassette tech, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? Okay, let's try the cassette. Let's go forward. Let's go backwards. Now the reverse mode. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? So in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to switch the middle waves, useless radio frequency, right here, which means the Bluetooth is on. Now we'll go to our cell phone. In your phone will be the new one, this one, KEH-P14RDS. In my case, this one. Now the Bluetooth is activated. Simply go to YouTube and play any song you want. That's it. Pretty fun, right? Try another song. Ads, of course. One second. That's it. And I have to say this model sounds amazing for this price, for its price. That's it. You want to turn off the Bluetooth, simply go back to FM mode. That's it. You're back to normal radio. Thumbs up, guys.